shake hands. Okay. Ready, Mama?
Yeah.
You gotta have faith in yourself. Smile when you've lost your way and you're down. The gift that you can't bring, you mean everything. Have faith in yourself. You gotta have joy in those tears. They help to make you strong and fight those fears. Gotta keep your ambition. Success is your mission. Have faith in yourself. No matter who or what can try and bring you down, yeah. The faith in you will always stay around. Oh, you gotta have faith in yourself. Smile when you've lost your way and you're down. The gift that you can bring, you mean everything. Have faith in yourself.
Woo! Bravo! Bravo!
Oh my gosh.
Bravo! Fantastic!
Oh, can you believe it?
Nice.
I like that song. That was
Too much.
So much. So
That's a
many
really
people.
great song.
Thousands of people singing
Good
by
voice.
South Bend downtown.
Did you like that,
It was a
Mom?
hard day.
That was your
very,
birthday present.
Wow.
Really nice.
Sometimes we get along and sometimes she make me crazy.
Yeah. I remember when they been small, I carried them up, the twins, by the stairs. I was thinking the goat is over my head, I could fall with both of them down. I take them upstairs sleeping. I wish you seen the way you've been a baby. One or two of them, and went up the stairs and put you in the big bedroom, or sleeping in the couch.
I remember when you and Andreas and the both kids went to have your pictures taken together at the Bay, when Susie worked at the Bay to have your pictures done.
Yeah.
Remember those baby pictures with you and the twins and Andreas?
Yeah, this picture I have in my living room.
I'll never forget how happy you were and how proud you were that day, having all those kids, your grandkids around, the little
Yeah.
babies.
And this was so, it was really nice, this one. I have it in the living room, you know, who have this, and Andreas is in the back. All three grandchildren have really big. Oh, well, it's nice to remember.